So, where are the hidden apps? Just use two fingers, spread the fingers, draw on your unlock pattern, and here there are. Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan, and in this video I will show you how to hide apps on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G. It's the same also for the Pro version and for the other Redmi phones. And if you want to hide some apps on this phone, you can do it. In my example here I have two apps, WhatsApp and TikTok, and I want to hide them. So to do it, you need to go on your phone to security, and here we have the hide apps feature. Tap on it, and from here just select the apps that you want to hide. So in my case, WhatsApp and TikTok. And here there are. And now you need to tap on settings, and also from here you can hide notifications, and you can protect your private files with app lock. Tap here to enable this feature, and here just draw your pattern and do it again, and tap next. From here you can sign in your Xiaomi account to save this password. I will tap not now, and you can add it later if you want. Okay. And here you can also lock another apps if you want. I will disable these apps, and I will show you in the next video how to lock apps. You can set a fingerprint. I will do it later. So as I told you, I will show you later how to lock apps. Right now I will lock only the hidden apps. Okay, so now I will go back. And also here we have gestures, and from here you can learn how to hide apps, how to enable the hidden apps, how to see the hidden apps. For that you need to spread two fingers on the home screen. I will show you how to do it. And also if you want to access that apps, you need to enter your password. Okay, so now I will exit. I don't have anymore here WhatsApp and TikTok, and to see the hidden apps you need to spread two fingers like this, and you need to draw your pattern. So I will do it, and here are my hidden apps, and from here I can access it. Okay. Also, now if you go to security and want to go to hide apps, you need again to draw your pattern lock, and now you can see what apps are hidden. So this feature to lock the apps, it is very good, and you can use it only you. Okay, so this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.